Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. I am home, just got everything unpacked out of the bags. Our really good friend Danny took us to Aldi tonight, and I was just kind of like, whew, it's a big task. Even with a vehicle, it's a big task to go grocery shopping. Especially Aldi, because sometimes they have everything, sometimes they don't. Sometimes as you're walking through, you know that you have this meal plan, and sometimes you have to resort to some substitutions, which is fine, but it takes a little bit longer for you to think things out and what you're going to do. We are getting company this week, and I did want to pick up a few things to fix for their visit. And I think I did pretty good tonight. You know, Danny usually takes us once a month, at least once a month. And I get the bulk of my groceries for the month. And then if I need bread, milk, eggs, you know, I might run out of potatoes or something like that, we will go to Walmart. I'm sitting here right now, getting me a drink of water before I share with you all the goodies that I bought. The only thing I will tell you I was disappointed with is that our Aldi, which is the largest Aldi here in our area, it didn't have anything for Valentine's Day. There really was not much of anything. Also, too, even the flowers that was there, they were all dried up and wilted. And I thought, well, nobody's going to buy that. But yeah, it was kind of sad. They didn't really have much of anything for Valentine's Day. Now, last year I went around Valentine's Day, and they had a ton of stuff, like really cute, unique items. And I have been seeing these other YouTubers going to Aldi and getting all this stuff for Valentine's Day. Didn't have any of that at ours. So that was the only thing. I didn't get anything for Valentine's Day. But that's okay, because we will eventually. I will tell you, this water tastes so good. I don't know what it is, but do you guys go shopping and then you're like very parched afterwards? It just, I don't know if it's the weather or what, but it's 60-some degrees here tonight. It is so nice. I didn't have to wear a jacket. It was like spring, really. It was like a spring evening. It was just perfect to go to the grocery store. So I'm going to finish my water, and then I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and hopefully it brings some inspiration for your grocery shopping this week. All right, this is everything that I bought. Filled up my entire table and then some. Before anybody says, I know that there's a hole in that, but I did that with my finger, and I'm going to repackage this anyhow. So I know you guys will be like, hey, you stuck your finger in that, or something was, you know, in that. Hamburger meat, 2 things of the flour tortillas, because these are really good for breakfast, or even, we're going to have fajitas this month. I bought the stuff to make them. We've got some cottage cheese. We got 2 things of sardines. My hubby likes those. Those are not for me. Got some Parmesan cheese. Some maraschino cherries. It's for a cake I'm going to be making. And let's see what we got here. We got some green beans. I think. Let's see. We got sweet peas. This is a chicken rice. We've got oatmeal. We got wavy Lay's potato. Well, they're not Lay's brand, but like the Lay's, you know, the wavy potato chips, tortilla chips. We got a thing of bell peppers, a thing of romaine hearts, some celery, 2 things of biscuits. We've got some frozen peas, some frozen Brussels sprouts, some seasoned French fries, 2 things of ham, sliced ham, lunch meat, which we're going to eat here in a little bit because I'm starving. We got some mozzarella cheese, some Mexican cheese, 2 things of hot dogs, some more Mexican cheese, pepper jack cheese. We got 2 of those, some butter, some hot sausage, 2 of those, and some chicken tenderloins. We've got these little tiny peppers that I like to put in fajitas. They're really good. We got some spinach artichoke dip. I thought that would be really neat to have one night, him and I, with as a side. A couple things of cinnamon rolls. Let's see what we got. Broccoli. This is a fresh broccoli. We got some evaporated milk. Another evaporated milk, because I always use it. And let's see, another sweet pea. Some whole kernel corn. Some diced tomatoes. Some potatoes. These are fresh carrots. 2 things of garlic, one there, one there. One's in water, one's in olive oil. Another whole kernel corn, green beans, potato, diced tomato, carrot, and some pineapple chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4 things of Vienna sausages, 2 things of the heavy whipping cream. Also got an orange juice. I needed this. I was completely out. I needed some aluminum foil, some more foil, and some plastic wrap. And I also got the crock pot liners. They had them there. Let's see, down here. I got some Sprite, some Diet Coke. I bought these for Valentine's Day. I'm not saying what they are because Ronnie's in here. We got some onions, some potatoes. And I'm going to try to maneuver around here so I can show you everything. We got some bananas. Several things of taco seasoning because we use these so much. I like to stock up on my seasoning when I'm there. If they have what I want, I just grab it. This is the one that I use for the tacos. Then I also got some brown gravy mix right here. Got several of those to put away. I like to have these on hand. It makes for easy suppers. Got a thing. Oh, there's another one. Let me put it over here. Got a thing of strawberry and blueberry yogurt. Several of them there. A loaf of white bread. A gallon of whole milk. 1 thing of chicken bone broth. 1 thing of chicken stock. A yellow cake mix. Chocolate cake mix. A couple more chicken rice. This is their version of shake and bake. I've had it. It's really good. Another chicken rice. I got 4 of those total. Some northern beans. This makes for a very inexpensive meal and it's really, really good. Some coconut. 2 things of the oven-ready lasagna noodles. I don't know if I showed you oatmeal, but we got oatmeal. The ham was not planned, but they were $5 off tonight. They were trying to get rid of them. They do not go bad until March. So this was actually cheaper than lunch meat. So this is not a bad deal. I got the biggest one they had in the case because we can always use a ham. I can always have somebody over and we can have ham. And I think that is all that we got. You guys enjoyed this Aldi haul. It went really well. I'm really happy with, every time I shop there, I feel like I get my money's worth. Because I think Walmart, when I go to Walmart, I tend to stray and buy things that are not food related. And in Aldi, I seem to be able to focus more and buy more meal appropriate food. So, I am a huge Aldi, you know, I absolutely love that store. So I always seem to do really well. You guys let me know. Do you like Aldi versus Walmart? Which one do you like best? Or Kroger or another place do you like to shop? But I like Aldi. I do really good when I go to Aldi. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you all are doing fantastic. I will be seeing you guys again next Monday. I will be posting more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the cleaning videos that's come out the last 2 days. And now a haul video. So have a fantastic week and weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment because I love to read them. Ronnie and I read all of them. And we will be seeing you all Monday.